Hello everybody, I Miss Uma Vidushi welcome you all once again here, and today our topic for discussion is pronoun and its different kind. I hope you have watched my previous video about personal pronouns. And here you can see some examples of personal pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, they, will, and many more. So I have already mentioned the link in the description. If you have not watched the video yet, I recommend you first to watch that video. It will be easy for you to understand this one. Now, today's topic for discussion is demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? Pronouns which are used to point out persons or object or to which they refer to are called demonstrative pronouns. That, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. Now here a question arises that where do we use demonstrative pronoun? So they take the place of a noun or noun phrases that has already been discussed or it has already been mentioned. We use this for singular object and these for plural objects to refer to something that is near to us. Have a look on examples like this is my car. So here car is singular and this word or this pronoun is used here for pointing out a car. These are our children. In this sentence, these pronoun is used for children to point out. Now let's talk about the use of that and those. So that is used for singular object and those is used for plural objects. That and those are used to refer some things far from us. See the example like that is our house, those are my shoes. Dear learner, here is a point that is needed to be noted, like the verb changes depending on the pronoun that you use. Means you can also use demonstrative pronoun by themselves. Have a look on the examples. Did you do that? I had liked to buy these. Which of those would you like? So these are the way you can use demonstrative pronouns. Now let's talk about possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Words that are used to show possessive case are all called possessive pronouns, or in other words we can understand that pronouns show possessiveness or relationship are known as possessive pronouns. My, your, its, his, her, our, their and whose are used to show that something belongs to an antecedent, means which is in the beginning of a sentence. Any noun or pronoun which is in the beginning of a sentence is known as antecedent. Here are some basic examples of possessive pronouns used in sentence. The kids are yours and mine. Here, possessive pronoun yours and mine is showing possession of kids. The house is theirs and its paint is faking. Again, theirs and its is a possessive pronoun which is showing a possession or a relationship with house. The money was really there for the taking. Their possessive pronoun there is showing a possessiveness with the money. We shall finally have what is rightfully ours. So here the possessive pronoun ours is showing a relationship with we. Let's see some more examples. What's mine is yours, my friend. The dog is mine, the cat is yours, the ring is hers, the bag is theirs. So these all words in possessive pronouns are showing relationship or possessiveness with the other words or the antecedent in the sentence. Hope I am clear to you all. Now it's your turn to make some more sentences with demonstrative pronoun and possessive pronoun. In the next video, I will explain reflexive, emphatic and interrogative pronoun. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.